Budgeting Basics, Creating a Spending Plan. Welcome to Lesson 6 of your money mindset journey. Budgeting is one of the most powerful tools for financial control and success. Today, we'll dive into the basics of creating a spending plan that works for you. Let's take control of your finances together. A budget is simply a plan for how you'll spend your money. It helps track income and expenses, ensuring your spending aligns with your goals. Creating a budget might sound intimidating, but it's actually straightforward and incredibly empowering. Identifying income. Start by listing all your sources of income. Knowing exactly how much money is coming in is the foundation of a solid budget. Listing expenses. Next, write down all your expenses. Separate them into fixed costs like rent and variable costs like groceries and entertainment. Don't forget occasional expenses like car maintenance. Categorizing expenses. Organize your expenses into categories. This helps you see where your money is going and makes it easier to adjust spending. Creating a budget. Compare your income to your expenses. If expenses exceed income, look for areas to cut back. Prioritize savings and debt repayment like fixed expenses. Tracking spending. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or even a notebook to track your expenses. Regularly review your spending to stay on track. Planning for irregular expenses. Create a category for irregular expenses and set aside a small amount each month. This helps avoid financial surprises. Staying flexible. Life happens. Adjust your budget as needed while keeping your long-term financial goals in focus. By creating and sticking to a budget, you'll gain clarity, control, and confidence in your finances. Embrace the process and enjoy your journey toward financial success. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Subscribe for more insights and practical steps to master your money mindset.